Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Volvo windshield wipers. First, ensure your Volvo is parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off for safety. Next, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Finally, have your new wiper blades ready, along with a soft cloth to clean the windshield if needed before installation. This preparation makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at the point where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly, then slide the entire old blade downwards, away from the arm until it detaches. It's crucial to hold onto the wiper arm securely during this step. Never let the bare metal arm fall back onto your windshield, as it could cause significant damage to the glass. Exercise caution. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade upwards along the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation, providing clear visibility when you need it most. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Ensure they rest flat against the glass. Now, turn on your Volvo and activate the windshield wipers, using the washer fluid. Observe their movement across the glass. They should operate smoothly, without any skipping or streaking, providing a perfectly clear view. This quick test confirms your new wipers are correctly installed and ready to keep your windshield spotless in any weather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.